Good morning, my great students.
Morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Good morning. I hope you and your family are in great condition. Before starting our lesson, let's pray together. Devon, can you lead your friends to pray?
Let's pray together. Let's finish.
Yeah. Okay, who is absent today? Devon, Michelle, Jessica, and Renaldi. Yeah, okay. Now we are going to learn about analytical exposition text, continuing our last week material. Remember? Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay. Now let's see the video first. Wait a minute. Okay. What is the video about?
Smoking, Miss.
Yeah, about smoking. How about others?
Smoking and its effects for body and others, Miss.
Yeah. What is the purpose of the video?
To ban smoking in public area, I think.
Yeah. What else?
To persuade people to stop smoking.
Yeah, all a great answer. Next question. What information did you get from the video? Cari,
Cancer, Miss.
smoking cause cancer. Yeah, good. Next video. Wait a minute. our material is about analytical exposition. Ini ya, kita belajar tentang keterampilannya, ya, menangkap makna ya secara kontekstual ya, dan menyusun teks eksposisi. IPK-nya ini mengidentifikasi teks eksposisi analitis. Seperti tadi kamu udah mengidentifikasi ya sebuah video tentang analytical exposition. Nah, terus yang kedua ini menyusun teks eksposisi. Tujuannya ini tadi yang udah ditampilin ya, mengidentifikasi dan menyusun teks eksposisi analisis secara benar dan sesuai konteks ya. Definisinya apa? Ini yang udah kamu pelajari. Analytical exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. Social functionnya ini, generic structure-nya terdiri dari apa aja? Thesis, introducing the topic and indicating the writer's point of view. Biasanya first paragraph ya, ingat-ingat. Juga argument biasanya in next paragraph. Reiteration ya, atau conclusion sama. Jadi menguatkan restating the writer's point of view. Ini language feature-nya. Kalau argument text biasanya simple present, pakai thinking verb, internal conjunction. Ini ya, biasanya in addition, comparison-nya ada, time waktunya, secondly ya, firstly ya, biasanya gitu, next, then ya, cause and effect-nya juga ada, konektifnya pakai ini. Terus ini contohnya ini ya, first text ini thesis, the importance of having breakfast. Thesis biasanya di awal. In a busy morning, people tend to skip their breakfast. Actually, there are many benefits of having breakfast. Here are 2 reasons why it is important. Ini argumennya biasanya next paragraph. Ini first argument. Ini this next argument. Dan ini closingnya, reiteration, memperkuat dari thesis yang di atas. Next. Contoh yang kedua ini, cars should be banned in the city. Why? Ini thesisnya. Cars should be banned in the city as we all know cars create pollution. Ini harus diperkuat lagi. Kenapa kok create pollution? Ini dari pemikiran the writer. Ini dia ngasih argumennya. Ini loh argumennya. Kenapa saya ngomong begini ya? In thesis, firstly, secondly, thirdly. Ini argumennya ada 3. Ya, ini penjelasannya. Terus reiteration, kalau ini biasanya pakai in conclusion. Menyusun jumble paragraph into the correct from the fact above. Kalau argument pakai apa? Firstly, the last, secondly.
Personally
Ya.
and from the fact above me
Ya.
is
Personally ditaruh di mana biasanya?
awal.
Ya, awal. Next setelah personally apa?
Firstly, miss.
Ya, firstly. Then
Secondly.
Secondly.
ya, secondly. Then
The last.
ya, the last. So reiterationnya apa?
Yang A, miss.
Iya,
From the
ini
facts
kan.
above.
Nah, from the facts above ini. Or in summary, nah, ini berarti dianya conclusion ya. Cek, nah, benar ya. Personally, ya, I think that reading is very important. Ya, firstly, by reading we can get a lot of knowledge. Secondly, by reading we can get a lot of news and information. The last, reading can also take us to other parts of the world. Terus from the fact above, or in summary, we can say reading is truly important in our life. Ini kan memperkuat reiterationnya from the fact ini sampai our life ini kan memperkuat yang personal ini yang tesisnya. Oke. our arguments yang tadi kita jawab, berarti ini reading tesisnya, ini yang tadi kan tesisnya reading is a very important activity in our life. Ini kan reading is very important activity. Terus argument pertama, first argument, firstly ya. Argument kedua, by reading we can, yang secondly tadi ya. By reading we can get lot of. Oke. Argument yang ketiga, thirdly atau the last, reading can also take us to other parts of the world. Kata yang mengikuti dari argument namanya supporting argument. Reference material ini kamu bisa buat text analytical exposition sendiri tipsnya. LKPD 3. Want to answer?
Number 1, I think, is A, Miss. Analytical
Yeah.
exposition.
Iya. Dilihat dari mananya ini?
You can clearly tell it has the structure of analytical exposition, Miss.
Iya. Oke.
Number 6. Smoking in the restaurants must be avoided because E. All answers are correct.
What is the purpose of the text? The answer is B, to persuade to the readers.
Iya, Jeremy.
Number 14, what is the writer's suggestion? I think the answer is A, to buy more dustbins.
Ya, Samuel.
Number 19 itu jawabannya E. BCAD.
This shuffles paragraphs into the correct orders. The answer is C.
Oke, next. LKPD 4. You can do in a group ya. This is 4 topic I have given to you, or you can choose another topic. Solve issues. Yeah, the risk of being fat. Is smoking good for us? Choosing the accredited school, or any other actual issues. Write in a group about this analytical exposition text, minimum 100 words. Okay, you may start now in your Google Classroom. Let's check together. Wait a minute. Ya, this is group 1. Oke, kelompok 1, great, excellent. Let's check another group. Oke, great job. Grupnya Felicia. Next, we check another group. Oke, how about the conclusion? Summary-nya apa? Jeremy? Can you tell me what ini ya?
Analytical exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding.
Generic social analytical exposition text. Number 1 is thesis. Thesis is introducing the topic and initiating the reader's position. Number 2, arguments. It is explaining the arguments to support the reader's position. 3, reiteration is restating the reader's position.
The language features of analytical exposition text is using relational process, using internal conjunction, using causal conjunction, and using simple present tense.
Ya, oke, great job. Reflection. Masih ingat kan tadi kita belajar tentang apa?
Analytical exposition.
Analytical exposition.
Analytical exposition text. What do you like most in this material or in this activity?
That I like most is analyze the analytical exposition text.
What do you need to improve or learn more?
I think my vocabulary, since it is important to know the vocabs if you want to analyze the text.
I think that's all my teaching today ya. Next meeting we will learn about explanation text. Okay? Thanks for joining my class and see you next week. Okay?
Thank you, Miss. Good morning.
Miss. Goodbye.
Okay.
Thank you,
You may
Miss.
leave this room. Okay, you may leave this room.